YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little tiny haul, kind of a little hodgepodge because of course you can't really do much shopping, but this is combination haul. And let's see, let's jump in, do Tuesday morning real quick because that was the least amount of things, and all I got for Tuesday morning was these two booklets, the Good Vibe stickers. And that's what that looks like on the back. And I showed you the home one. And then this is the blue. So that was Tuesday morning. My desk is a junky mess, which I'm glad in a way because I am cleaning out, getting rid of stuff. Good. So then I went to Office Max. They had these on sale for $1, and this is just some washi, and I believe it's Valentine's Day, because that's what it looks like. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 rolls for $1. So I got 2 of those, and then I got this one big one for $1 as well from there. And these were from Walmart. Then I went to the Dollar Tree and I found these wooden picks with balls on them, and I thought they had the silver and the gold. I'm going to make some projects with that. Just picked up a couple file organizers to put some stuff in here, my craft room and some other stuff. And these just because I wanted some of the skinny washi for my planners that I use on my other channel. His Scribe, where I do my planner layouts and my scripture writing, so check out that channel as well, His Scribe, and my Instagram, His Scribe. But also got this from the Dollar Tree. They also had the little metal containers as well, and these were the cards, and I'm going to open them up. I thought it slid out. See if they're different, they may be the same. I figured this would be great to cut. Oh, they are the same. Oh, the back is different. Okay. So it says, today's prayer. 1 Thessalonians 5:18, and everything give thanks. Blessed be the Lord who daily loads us with the benefits, God of our salvation. Psalm 68:19, and commit to the Lord whatever you do, and your plans will succeed. Proverbs 16:3. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Matthew 5:8. And teach us to know our days that we may gain heart of wisdom. Psalms 90:12. I will give thanks to the Lord from my whole heart. Psalms 9:1. Blessed is she who has believed that the Lord will fulfill his promises to her. Luke 1:45. I will thank the Lord with all my heart. Psalms 9:1. And with you always. 28:10. Matthew 28:10. For nothing will be impossible for God. Luke 1:37. This is the day which the Lord hath made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Psalms 118:24. You know what? Because when I read Psalms 9:1 twice. Or maybe I said 90 and 12. Maybe that's what I was thinking. Nope, it was. So I've just seen it, the other ones are in here twice. Nope. He gives us grace to the humble. Proverbs 3:34. A sweet friendship refreshes the soul. Proverbs 27:3. Under his wings you will find refuge. Psalms 9:1. That's not right. That's not. Look at this. These are messed up. First, this is 91:1. That's not, because I know that scripture. So, that's a mess up. Trust the Lord with all your heart and lean out to your understanding. Okay, Proverbs 3:5. The Lord will always guide you. Isaiah 58:11. The Lord is my strength and my shield of my heart. Trust. Psalms 28:7. I'm a King James girl, so this throws me off a little bit. She is clothed in strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future. Proverbs 31:25. When I'm afraid, I put my trust in you. Psalms 56:3. And perhaps this is the moment for which you have been created. Esther 4:14. So, I hate when people mess the scriptures up. If you printed it and you making people pay for it. But hence, I guess that's why. It's $1. Let's see if there's anything different. Because the way the back looks, it makes it look like They're different ones. Oh, because see, this says today's prayer, all of those. He's made everything beautiful in his time. And see, these are different. Ecclesiastes 3:11. Oh, that's because I'm looking at different. And let all that you do be done in love. So they have different fonts. These are small. These are big. 1 Corinthians 6:14. Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures. 1 Chronicles 16:34. We love because he first loved us. 1 John 4:19. Whatever you do, do with all your heart. Colossians 3:23. He shields who takes refuge in him. Psalms 18:30. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. Where God guides, he provides. Isaiah 58:11. Do justly, love mercy, walk humbly. Without God. Micah 6:8. He restores my soul. Psalms 23:3. With good, all things are possible. Matthew 19:26. She is more precious than rubies. Proverbs 3:15. And never will I leave you, never will I forsake you. Hebrews 13:5. God is within her, she will not fail. Psalms 46:5. Let your light shine before others. Matthew 5:16. Faith can move mountains. Matthew 17:20. Be still and know that I am God. Psalms 46:10. For I know the plans I have for you. Jeremiah 29:11. Behold, you're beautiful. Song of Solomon 4:1. So I just had to double check like 2 other scriptures on this one, but anyway. Oops, and there's one other in here. I'm fearfully, wonderfully made. Psalms 139:14. Yes, you are. You are fearfully, wonderfully made. You are not an accident. You are blessed and highly favored of the Lord. He knows the hair on your head. They are numbered. And he wrote a book about you. Anyway, so that is what I got from the Dollar Tree. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care, stay calm, be blessed, be safe, and much love.